Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used with the iTunes Store or App Store. If you are using any iPhone or iPad, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open or install any app from your App Store or you want to use your Apple ID in your iTunes Store, you might see this tab error which is this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes Store. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, just go back from here. Try to close all the recent apps, and then you have to try to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, simply go back from here and open your settings app. Go to general, go to software update. Try to update your software. Updating software, just go to the date and time section. Enable the toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back and go to transfer recent iPhone, select reset, then tap on recent network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select recent network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings if there will be any issue with your iPhone network. That will be fixing the step and you'll not get the issue again. So after resetting your network settings, just simply go back from here and try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, you have to quickly press and ease the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So if it's just a network issue or if it's just a temporary glitch, it might be fixed in the step. Or if your issue is still not fixed, so you have to go to your settings app and here tap on your Apple ID and very first just go to subscriptions and you have to make sure that you are not subscribed to any subscription here. If you have any subscriptions, I recommend how to try to delete or cancel them, then go back and here go through the median app purchases, tap on it, then tap on view account, verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password, and here just select country or region option here, and here you just have to select your own country or region in which you're living. So for example, I'm going to select this one. After selecting your country or region, just tap on this continue option, then tap on agree on the top right. Now in this section you have to add your payment method. If you don't have any payment method, just tap on this none option here. You have to add this billing address as correctly as you can. Just enter your street. These two are optional, so you can skip them. Then enter your postcode. If you don't know about that, you can search from Google. Then enter your town, country, your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on the done option at the top right. And after doing this, your billing address will be updated. So if there will be an issue with your Apple ID, it might be fixed in this step. Or after doing this, if you are still facing the same issue, so you can try to contact with the Apple support team to get official help. And to do this, just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store or you can use Apple Support web. Select iPhone from here, select this more option. Now here you can select App Store or you can also select iTunes Store. Let's say I'm gonna select iTunes Store from here and tap on this more option, then tap on callers. So after that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.